Hello favorites, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. My name is Gladys Yesa and I welcome you into my world. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook my omena. I hope you enjoyed my content, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click that subscription button, and if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of recipe do you want me to cook with you. Welcome, let's get into the video. First of all, I start by kuziokota moja moja kwa sababu omena tend to be so dirty with a lot of stones and some dirty things, so make sure you pick them first. You separate the dirt from the good ones. Then when you're done doing that, hey, sasa nikipika nataka mniambie, do you guys love omena? If yes, how do you make yours? Please comment down below, and I need to know your secret ingredient while making omena. I'll show you mine. Number one secret in the kitchen is hygiene. What I normally do, I soak my omena in hot water until the water starts cooling down. As you can see, the water is steaming, which means it's very hot. Then after that, I'll wash it at least 3 times with warm water thoroughly before I start frying it. Because you don't want to eat dirty food and start having bad stomach. Please, while cooking your food, make sure everything is clean. From the utensils you are using to the food that you are cooking, everything should be clean to avoid. Here are my ingredients. I have garlic and ginger. I have coriander. I have red onions. By the way, guys, I have a lot of great content lined up for you. Moto content, moto. I'll be dropping it one after another. Next week, both Monday and Wednesday, we shall bake. So mapema mniambie ni keki gani mnataka to prepare. Mnataka carrot cake, mnataka vanilla cake, mnataka banana bread or banana cake, or fruit cake. Penda ni bake cake gani next week. The aroma, guys, the aroma. By the way, mnaulizaje? Corona inawapeleka aje? How is Corona taking you guys? It's coming out well. It's coming out well. Can you see that? As it continues to cook, I'll season it with salt. Be careful, usiweke nyingi. Afadhali ikuwe kidogo, watu waongeze kwa plate badala ikuwe nyingi. Because ikiwa nyingi haiwezi kulika. I'll also add black pepper. Usi-exaggerate. Godwin akashindwa kukula. And be careful isiungue. It's almost done. It's well done, so I'll add tomato and tomato paste. Nitaongeza, I'll add some water kidogo tu, kidogo. Alafu nifunike ndio tomato paste na tomato ziive vizuri. Then itakuwa ready. Nitaongeza 3 minutes later. Can you see that? Can you see that? Tomato paste is my secret ingredient. Can you see? At this point, the omena is well cooked. So I'll wrap this video at this point, and let me see you in the next video. Bye! Love you! Subscribe! Yeah, subscribe to Mommy's channel.